Just a quick video on how to change and replace the toner and drum assembly on a Brother HL-2040 laser printer. And the first thing you're going to do is you're going to grab these two nubs on the side and you pull the front cover down and out. And from there, you're going to grab your toner cartridge assembly and pull it forward and then kind of angle it up and out of the printer. There we go. If it catches like that, it's something got misaligned temporarily, so I'll push it back in and you can pull it out. So this is the drum and toner assembly. Depending on what you bought, you may have the whole assembly, otherwise you may just have the toner. To remove the toner cartridge, push down this blue lever and then lift up on the little handle right here to pull it out. And this is the TN-350 toner cartridge. With your new cartridge, you want to just kind of give it a little shake before you put it in. That's just in case the toner is settled in storage. And when you reinstall it, you want to be mindful of these two pins sticking out the sides. They go into the little notches along the sides there. So you kind of put this in at an angle and you kind of push it down until it locks into place and this is engaged. From there, to reinstall it, kind of put it in at a slight angle, push it in towards the back, and then shut the cover. Now, if your cover doesn't shut properly like this, it's because you didn't push the toner cartridge in all the way. So the best thing to do is just to pull it out and then put it back in and push it in on both sides to hear that click. And if it's seated properly, the cover will go back on correctly and the printer should cycle and just do a quick little self-test. So hopefully that's helpful and thanks for watching.